guys, welcome to part 2 of the vlog, and if you haven't seen part 1, go see it now. So I had to go see Saloni at this new mall that has very recently been opened. It's called Elegante Mall, and honestly for North Delhi people this one is a huge thing because we've been missing good malls and we've been missing out on good malls like these. So honestly, like, there was a lot of things that I experienced. If you are a North Delhi person, you need to see this video till the end.
So this one is a new mall and the traffic is insane. I can't even tell you how many people are here to visit the mall. Let's see.
And honestly, I was so happy because I could see H&M, I could see Dyson, and I could see Bath and Body Works and so many brands in this particular mall, which honestly was nowhere available near, and we had to go to like South Delhi or like somewhere other to go to all of these locations. But honestly, it was filled with people. I could see the entire food court like totally filled up. So we ended up in Yumi then, and then obviously I saw Saloni and we had a couple of chats. So we ordered their sushi first. It was amazing. You should definitely try it. It's their tempura sushi. Then obviously you know me and I love soup. And then we also ordered some pad thai noodles, which is also one of my favorites.
We don't think China has a place for that.
I thought I did basic beach dresses, yeah. The longer one. But वो भी नहीं मिला मुझे.
This better be good, huh?
This one's filled with cheese. How is it?
But मेरे को मैडो डोनट ज़्यादा पसंद है. ओरिजिनल सिन उसकी शक्ल ना सिमिलर थी. अगर तूने चॉकलेट देखी दोनों की.
Make a vlog in life.
Good. Vlogs are more interesting than your reels and all.
ये लोग सिर्फ डिस्ट्रक्शन करने आए हैं यहाँ पे.
Thousand Splendid Suns is also very nice, but
बुक्स लगा रही है सलवार से बहुत सारे.
इसमें बहुत डिस्गस्टिंग चीज़ें होती हैं इसके अंदर. उसकी शादी हो जाती है जब वो छोटी सी होती है. तालिबान, you know, like the जैसे वो war and all वाला element. But love can move खत्म. But vanilla.
But you like vanilla?
Pure seduction. Vanilla the best.
Pure seduction तो it's तो.
Pure seduction जो भी तेरे को दिखाया वो वाला और vanilla वाला मेरा फेवरेट मतलब खाए. If you're taking it from your own mind.
This is the one that I'll get very soon, guys. But this is the one that I've got right now.
Yay.
Hey, what's another one? Thank you. Yay. Love the packaging.
Smell.
कौन सा ये?
Champagne toast. खत्म हो गया.
Hey.
ये खत्म हो गया.
Champagne.
अब ये
अब हमने अपनी बाल्टी मंगा लिया as usual. Good balti. My favorite fries. We got our favorite fries here. We're shooting Saloni's victory moment today. She's wearing a red lipstick. Yay! She's never bought one. I think it looks amazing on her.
I'm usually scared of.
But red lipsticks in general don't look good on a lot of people, but it genuinely suits her a lot. Cute. Love this. I love the packaging of this. I love the bow on it. Today somehow has been like a full shopping day for me. I've got this, and I also got a ring from somewhere in the mall itself, and then I got a VS, and then I also got something from Bath and Body Works. Interesting. So I'm finally back home and I shopped for a few things. I had absolutely no intentions of shopping, but I'm going to quickly show you what all did I get. What all I got. Whatever. So first I got this kajal from K-Beauty. I use this almost daily and this is a part of my daily makeup routine. So this one was over, so I had to get this one from Nykaa. By the way, then I also got this ring from Pacific itself. Then I had two more things. One is from Bath and Body, and this is a mist for men. It's hues of blue, and I've never gifted anyone or heard a lot about their men's collection, but I thought that I should give this a try. I got this for my brother. And next I got Victoria's Secret's mist. This is my first thing from Victoria's Secrets and from my own money, which I'm very happy about. Somehow I never had it in my head to buy one, but like Victoria's Secrets was always on my list. I want to buy something from it. I tried a lot of perfumes honestly, but I did not like any. But their mists are amazing, and I know that. It's called Starlit, and it smells heaven. It smells amazing. It's a little fruity, it's a little fresh. I love this one. This one is a little on the aqua side, and in general, I think I love aqua, and like so does my father. He's also in love with perfumes in general, but I don't know about my brother, but I think he might also love this as well. So that's about it, and that's the end of the vlog. I hope you guys had fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna keep doing this hopefully, and show you more of what life has to offer. So yeah, see you in the next vlog. Bye.